We are on our way to King of the Hammers with JP's truck. We just did the TTB Coil Over front suspension on it. Got rid of his Dana 60, pretty sweet. It's got our long travel rear suspension, and then he's got his 4Runner, which he's selling down there. And then we've got the pit bikes and more pit bikes and a couple side-by-sides and Super Duty. We have made it to Weed, California, and smooth sailing. Everything's looking good. But JP doesn't feel like he's making enough boost.
Doing a little clamp replacement here. Cheapo clamp isn't really just giving me the clamp force I want, so we're gonna give a couple. I have a couple of spares. We're gonna replace and hopefully keep that sealed up. Realistically though, these trucks don't make enough boost
to blow boots anyway.
Yeah, and even if there is a leak, like it'll just overcome it anyways.
Yeah.
But whatever. Better safe than sorry. It felt a little weak going up that hill, to be honest. Yeah, it's not bad.
The beams looking just so sick. Check out the loadout, dude. Yeah, the service body is pretty freaking sweet with those drawers and
yeah.
Golly.
Well, we made it to my house back home where my dad lives still, and everything's going good, and we are ripping the motos today, taking a little rest day to get things ready, and stoked. It's been really sick. Truck's driving good, so gonna get some moto in.
Tacos in the middle of nowhere.
All right,
So
nice.
Oh, nice GoPro. It was just absolutely insane. No.
So I don't know, I'm just kind of out here being a chef this week. Chilling, just drinking a little, smoking a little, making some food for the team. Let's go check in on them.
What are we doing? Unloading.
Don't want to go too low. A lot of rocks here.
What do you think about 28?
Dude, yeah,
Sounds
25
right.
to 28.
It's a heavy truck.
It'll take this. All right. Well, we're out here. We're gonna do some testing. Rebound was feeling a little bit fast, and it's been a long time since I've driven this truck. So we've also learned a lot more by driving that thing around. So yeah, now I feel like I can tell a lot better what's happening. The rear was doing a little buckiness, but we don't have gas bumps, so I'm not super surprised. But slowed it down quite a bit. We have a lot of knobs to turn and a lot of adjustability, so it should be pretty chill.